Hi there, I'm going to show you how to do a synopsis mind map, which is going to help you to connect topics between A-level biology topics. And this will not only help you to make those really important links, it shows you how biology is actually linked together and will really help you achieve your best in exam questions. So here we go, just to start. So I'm just going to start with any topic. You can do anything you like, and it can be a time when you're perhaps just a little bit bored of looking through notes or going through flashcards. Try and do this to get your brain connecting all those topics together, because essentially that's what they do. So if I start off here with respiration, I'm just going to connect to anything here. I know that glucose is used in respiration. I know that glucose has an alpha and a beta version, which are isomers. I also know that galactose is an isomer of glucose. I know that galactose is a monosaccharide. And I also know that we have two monosaccharides to make up a disaccharide. These are joined together by a condensation reaction. The condensation reaction sees the release of water. Water is used in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis uses light energy. Light energy is used and absorbed through chlorophyll. This is a green pigment which absorbs and takes up an electron. We also know that the electrons are transported through an electron transport chain, and that the energy used for the electrons moving through the electron transport chain are used to fuel the movement of hydrogen ions. That's called a electrochemical gradient. What else can we use here? And that gradient is used to make ATP ultimately. ATP is used for a lot of different activities. So one of them is actually mitosis. So I'm jumping topics a little bit there, but you can do that. That's what we're doing. We're making connections. So mitosis is cell division. So we know that we are splitting chromosomes, sister chromatids. And what do we get? We get two new daughter cells. These can be formed through asexual reproduction as well. And we also know that the opposite of that is sexual reproduction, which gives genetic variation. And we know that genetic variation allows for the survival of a species. And this is closely linked to natural selection, which sees, let me go out of our web here, natural selection, which is where we see selection pressure. And one of those might be antibiotics. which has led to antibiotic resistance. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it there. So it's just to give you an idea of how you can connect topics, and you can go with wherever where you want to. It doesn't matter. And the idea is to get your brain connecting lots of different topics and see how you can link to each other. And what that means is when you get those questions that are a mixture of topics, it should make it easier for you to answer. Okay, I hope that helps you.